After the end of the video, if you think this video is not helpful, dislike this video. But if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel because we provide quality content. So let's get started. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll discuss what is the next step after accepting offer letter with live example. And also in this video, I'll try to discuss some queries related to this. Okay, so watch full video for better understanding. So let's get started. First, let me redirect you to this page. This is my next step portal. This is the home page. Here you can see lots of options here because I got offer letter. When you will get offer letter, then there will be many options. Okay, so first let me click on this offer letter. Here you can see only one option. As you know that in my previous video there was two options. Okay, first one is download offer letter and second one is accept offer letter. Because I already accepted the offer letter, so that option is disappeared. Okay, now let me redirect you to another tab. This is the track my application. Here you can see offer letter generated, date, then offer letter accepted, again date. Okay, now after that, if you will accept your offer letter, then there will one more option, ILP eligible. What is the ILP? ILP is initial learning program. It is a training in TCS. Okay, this is very helpful training in TCS provided by TCS. And yeah, here one more option is ILP corner. However, this option is not available now. Okay, when you will complete your background check, then this option will be available. Now what is the next step? So after accepting, next step is background check. I have to complete background check. Even you also have to check background check. Okay, click on background check. Now here you can see 4 steps. First step is completed, initiate BGC. Okay, so this is by default completed. Now you have to, again, second step is fill background check form. Okay, BGC form. You can easily click on this because I already filled, that's why I can't fill this form again. Here however I can edit this form. Okay, so you can edit this form, fill this form. After filling, this box will be checked, and now you have to upload your background check documents. Okay, so click here. Here you can see 2 tabs. First one is instructions. You can read all the instructions. There are 4 instructions, some basic instructions. Now second option is upload documents. Here you have to upload documents. Okay, first one is NSR e-card. You can read the samples. And first again after that you have to upload your birth certificate, birth affidavit. Okay, and is your permanent address the same, like extra etc. All things. Till now I uploaded only 3 documents. First one is my PAN card, second one is my 10th mark sheet and 12th mark sheet. Okay, these documents successfully uploaded, so it's showing successfully uploaded. After, they will show one more thing, document acceptance status. Okay, they will show here. Okay, and now you can submit all the details. After that you can click on save and exit. Okay, so you can fill all the things. Click on next, click yes. You can see there are some more things, like you have to enter your graduate mark sheet. Okay, select here first semester mark sheet, second semester, all the things. Okay, so you have to fill all the details. So basically this is the background check. So next step is you have to complete your background check, because this is really very important thing. Okay, really very important steps for TCS. So without background check you can't join TCS. So this is very important. So after filling all the documents, you have to click on submit. When you click on submit, then after that they will verify your details. If they find all the details correct, then they will send you joining letter. And one more thing, letter of appointment. Okay, now let me discuss some frequently asked questions. Today a few candidates were saying that in their next step portal one more option is added or generated, feedback form. So they were saying is this a rejection, sign of rejection? No, it's not a sign of rejection, because I already received offer letter. But this option is generated in my next step portal also, so don't worry. Okay, this is just for your feedback, so don't worry. Okay, this is not a sign of rejection. Now next and important question is, if you accept offer letter, so is it compulsory to join TCS? Is it legal or illegal? So answer is no, it's not compulsory. If you accept the offer letter, it's totally up to you whether you want to join TCS or not, because till now you didn't sign any bond yet. Okay, so you did not sign any bond, so you are you are free whether you want to join TCS or not. So don't worry, you can accept offer letter, and joining will be after 1 or 2 months. So don't worry, after 1 or 2 months you can decide. Okay, it's totally up to you, so don't worry. Yeah, so and one more thing, many candidates are waiting for offer letters. So if it's more than 15 or 20 days you are waiting for offer letters, so it means there are less chances, because TCS is not sending rejection mail. Okay, currently TCS is not sending rejection mail, no one received rejection mail yet after interview. So please have patience. Okay, if you didn't receive any offer letter within 20 days, it means now chances are less. Okay, so keep applying for other jobs also, but please wait for at least 20 days. Okay, because I also received my offer letter within 7 days, so don't worry, you will receive within 20 days, 20 days max. Yeah, so if you have any questions related TCS or anything, please feel free to ask. And if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can join, and I'll provide link in description, because you can ask your queries there also. Okay, yeah, if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.